going to
problem.
ask you, if you ever felt in danger photographing an animal?
Um, no, I guess, in a vehicle, and I never want to sound like I'm blasé and complacent about what I do because the animals that we see every day, it is often the same individuals, especially the lions and the leopards that are resident and territorial here. So we kind of learn how accepting they are of our presence, and most of them don't even bat an eyelid. I mean, a couple of days ago on our access road, which is the busiest road in the reserve, there was a pair of lions sleeping, and the female's head must have been 2 foot from the road. And cars would drive past, and they'd kind of pull a bit to the side to give her space, but she didn't even open her eyes to look at them. They are really accepting of our presence in vehicles.